Ever wondered how those viral TikTok challenges get started and what makes them take off? The secret is a blend of creativity, strategy, and tapping into what really gets people excited to join in. First, start by defining your goal. Are you trying to promote your brand, launch a new product, or just build a fun community vibe? Knowing your goal helps guide every other decision, from your challenge style to the type of participants you want to attract. Next, get crystal clear on who your audience is. Dive into what they love, the trends they follow, and when they're most active on TikTok. If you're aiming at younger users, dance or music-based challenges work great. For a broader crowd, think transformation or storytelling challenges that anyone can relate to. Now, refine your big idea. The best TikTok challenges are simple to join but have a creative twist that makes people want to try it and share it. Maybe it's a catchy dance step, a funny voiceover, or a unique transition. Make sure your concept is easy to follow, but leaves room for people to add their own flair. Don't forget your hashtag. A memorable, unique hashtag is what gets your challenge noticed and keeps all the entries organized. Double-check it's not already being used and keep it easy to spell. Finally, show everyone how it's done with an eye-catching launch video. Keep it energetic, clear, and fun. Walk viewers through the challenge step by step. Collaborating with influencers or friends for that initial push can really help build momentum. And if you want your challenge to really explode, a little boost never hurts. MediaMister can help you get real TikTok likes and engagement, so your challenge gets the attention it deserves. Check out MediaMister.com or hit the link in the description to get started.